Hello everyone, welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's here, Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Frankfurt, Germany at the Christmas Market, which is finally taking place because last year we didn't have a Christmas market because of the roaches. Yeah, so we're excited to show you all around, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that there's so many people here.
Yes, a lot of people. God, I can't believe.
And I'm so hungry.
But it's Friday evening, what do you expect?
It's a Friday evening.
Yeah.
Are you hungry? What are we gonna eat first?
I don't know. You're not diet. Just kidding.
I'm not gonna die. Maybe you are. Okay, guys, let's turn the camera and show you what's going on. So, we have a carousel here. First thing. This is the mommy. Where's my mask? Oh God, you think the people are going to say that and shoot some?
Random. Old Fachwerkhäuser. Imagine you live in one of them. Look at that. Really nice. How long was you charge for one?
You know, this is totally my thing.
€16.
Aww.
Yeah, one quick people.
Baby Jesus, hello.
Yeah, man.
So here we have.
Somebody play what I used to do one time, and I played one of the.
Mommy did a play. Which character were you again?
English one Hirte. Shepherd, oder?
Mommy played the shepherd.
Yes, I forgot the words. The whole text.
At her
I only had
workplace.
3 lines to say her, so, but I was so nervous. Oh my God.
Oh gosh.
Look at that big Christmas tree. Yeah, here you can buy maroon. I don't know. Yeah, I think.
Ooh.
Yeah, we're here in the center of the town. It's the center of the town at night. Even though it's just about 7 o'clock now, so it's not even so late. But it turns dark pretty fast.
Yep, especially in
And it's
Christmas time.
cold. Even today, today we had like 7 degrees, I believe.
But that's okay. I don't feel so cold as yet. We have to wear a mask.
Yeah, even Santa. You see this? I saw someone even at Christmas market.
Aww.
Oh God, how cute.
Is this Angela Merkel?
Maybe
It's supposed to be
a 32 this. Like a palm tree too.
Yeah.
But that looks so nice.
Look on the donkey back there. And the guy is on the back. Yeah, they might see him on it look like.
Jamaica famous everywhere, not true?
So nothing other place in the Caribbean sell them. Or more houses. This is...
Also if you would have a lot of money spare like als motorbike, but
the apple. You want to get one?
Cheer!
Not yet. Guys, I really have everything.
go down this way.
Yeah, and then we come back up.
No, we are go down to Burma like.
Yeah, but you know, continue to hop back too.
Aspetto il pollo contato e 2 patate.
So guys, these are some popcorns. These are, what do you call these? Herzkuchen. They have gloves.
Die other, die mit Beilagen. Die one without the fingers, und auch neu.
They have car rides for the kids.
His queen. And this one is Zuckerwatte, wir haben uns die Zuckerrohr.
Ich nehme mal eine.
But we take a look at home some popcorn.
Zertifikat?
Braten am Spieß.
Mit Schuss. Kleinen,
Funny Christmas tree.
Wow, guys, you see the Christmas tree. So who remembers that vlog we did here in Römer? So now we are walking into the Römerberg.
Yeah.
Remember we told you all that this is where the Weihnachtsmarkt happens?
Which last year never did happen actually because of Corona, as you all know.
So now you guys can see it in real life. And I did not expect this crowd. Oh my god. I did not expect this crowd.
Wir kommen auch gleich wieder.
Can only see the top of the building. So many people. So, mommy, what do you think so far?
Yeah, I love it tree.
Yeah, the tree is really special.
Gut, ja gut, okay.
Really nice.
Hey,
Okay. They were traveling the tree and said it didn't look good, but I think it looks beautiful.
I think so too.
Oh, guys, the smell here is just amazing.
Yes, and you're not hungry, right?
I'm starving. What is this place? Chocolate.
Ooh,
Köstlich chocolate.
my corner. I love chocolate.
This is where they drink the Glühwein, I'm assuming. Oh, this place looks so cute.
Yeah, this is 128 gigabytes. What do you want, like $1,000 phone?
But that place used to be more crowded, oder? Freue mich das.
Oh God, it's not right now.
So guys, you remember this building?
Maronen again. Glühwein. Irgendwo habe ich Glühwein Yeah, but see somewhere where we can be outside better than not going to check you with your allein.
Andere Perspektive als wir so haben. Aber ich glaube, die
Ja, ist
Da gibt es auf jeden Fall noch mehr von Essen. Let's go up this part. This part looks nice.
Das heißt Frankfurt am Main.
Oh, this is such a beautiful shot.
Wir sind im Fernsehen.
Somebody said in the Fernsehen. Somebody said in the Fernsehen.
Merry Christmas to you all.
Weil nämlich hier am Tisch 4 sitzen nämlich zwei.
Bitte schön. Oh, it's gonna be cold. Ja.
Oh, kijk, eet die leider. Wir haben auch noch ein paar nachkommen.
Ja, genau.
Me either. Mir noch nicht. Weil die hier waren lecker, ja? Die sind ja wie aus dem Supermarkt. Noch besser wahrscheinlich. Aber dem ja. Kartoffelpuffer. God, so much police. Them scary.
I think all the criminals can be happy now.
Can be. Which criminals are we talking about? Hmm? What is that? Burrito, taco.
Wir haben Conchita und ich letztens geholt. Kennst du auch Churros, meinst du, oder?
Nee, taco. So wie Wrap.
Weil die Churros waren lecker. Ich weiß gar nicht mehr, wo wir die geholt haben. Hier ist irgendwie besser, hier ist nicht ganz viel.
Ja. Was ist das? Frohe Weihnachten. See what nice stand there show how much sausage we have.
Die was?
How much sausage we have.
Ja, Sommer jetzt, ne? Da ist immer eine kleine Auswahl.
Sorry.
So there's a small part of all the sausage you can get in Germany, but there's hundreds and hundreds more. There's some specialities. Most of them I don't.
Sie dürfen aber nur hier drinnen trinken. Sie dürfen nicht mit rauslaufen. Ist auch kein Pfand.
Danke. Ciao.
Hier drinnen dürfen Sie.
Come here. Mommy. Mommy. So guys, we're drinking the traditional Glühwein.
Cheers, and it's really nice and hot. Nice and sweet.
And I'm gonna drink one.
Yeah, you have to say that again. The year before last year?
Oh, that's really nice.
There's like red wine and some spices in there.
Actually really good, yeah. I love it.
Oh, hier steht, Feste sind Schlussbarkeiten der Menschen, die Menschen verbinden. Leben und Freude finden nur durch Gott. Und den Rest muss ich noch ausdrücken, das kann ich nicht weiter lesen.
So guys, what do you think of the Christmas market so far?
I like it, but it's a ton of people. They just had a police talking and they say we should keep 1.50 meter Abstand.
Yeah, we should keep our distance and we should wear a mask and whatever, so they reminded us of
Yeah,
the
but
pandemic.
you try 1.50 meter. There's so much people here, it was almost impossible. But we find us included Spatchen.
Like it are dead end. After this stall, there's nothing more back here.
But they are going back to where the action is.
Yeah, but this is like a nice place where we can set up a camera and talk to you all because it's so crazy in here.
It's like the old times almost,
Yeah.
except for the mask.
So guys, can you imagine like a warm red wine with some spices in there? That's what it tastes like. You guys need to come try it.
Yes, you have to carry back the cups.
Yeah, usually you pay extra for the cups, but this lady says she doesn't charge extra, so we have to stay inside so we don't thief the people them cup.
She said there's fun.
She said there's no fun, that's why we should stay close.
She said not to stay close. Not in front of her.
Wow, you're hearing the opposite stuff. It's amazing.
Definitely. It's my first Glühwein, so not joking.
Ja, möchten Sie auf Kamera sein?
Nein, aber hört das irgendwie jetzt?
Nee, nee,
Das ist
nee.
andersrum.
Wir sind fertig jetzt, Sie können ruhig, ich mach
Nee,
aus.
Wenn Sie schöne Bilder haben wollen.
Warte mal.
Na pewno zagadnę góry Tschüss.
I got the goodies.
Yeah, you see this?
My favorite stuff.
My most favorite must buy at the Christmas market.
She has to get these.
They are
At the Weihnachts
so
market.
delicious. They come with all kind of different flavors, like, and I love them. I really do.
It's probably my third pack since.
Nein, stimmt überhaupt nicht. Not true.
Alright.
So, man, da geht die Bakterien. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you enjoy our little trip.
Yeah, that was it for the Weihnachtsmarkt. We just took a train and we're almost home now.
Yeah, we're really tired. And so much people one time. I can't remember last time we see so much people, not true?
Yeah, so many
Oh my
people.
God.
My nose running,
And
my
police, they're like nothing, man. Them all tell you
Yeah.
to keep 1.50 meter apart, like, and oh my God, it's so stressful. But still, it was nice to have a Christmas market again, and we really did enjoy ourselves. And Crystal is not hungry anymore.
I ate a lot. Guys, you didn't see me eating because, you
It was
know,
almost impossible to film because you have to stand up in some corner like and eat because you have to take off your mask and so it was kind of hard to film.
and there
that.
wasn't nowhere to really put down the camera, unfortunately.
Yeah, so it was complicated. But I hope you still enjoy it, right? Remember to subscribe, share, like, comment below. Remember that,
Yes,
right? Not
guys.
Take care and
Take
Merry
care.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Peace.
Peace. Bye.